Imagine a world where auto repair isn't a hassle but a seamless experience. At GABE'S Professional Auto Solutions, we redefine auto repair with our concierge service, ensuring every vehicle is treated with utmost care and quality. From large fleets to high-performance and electric vehicles, we cater to all. Our services include auto body repair, paint correction, and custom detailing, ensuring transparency and communication throughout the repair process. Our commitment to excellence means you always know where your vehicle stands. With 10,000 happy clients, our reputation speaks for itself. Join us and experience the future of auto service. Trust is our foundation. We operate transparently, ensuring satisfaction and long-term relationships. Join our community and see why GABE'S is the trusted choice for auto services in Santa Ana. Book your appointment today. This listing is brought to you by our Santa Ana. We help connect you with real people, real services, and real neighbors.